Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the evaporator screw in your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the fridge we're going to be using for our demonstration here. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home than what we have here, but the same techniques should still apply. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our freezer door here. So this is our evaporator cover back here. It's held on by 4 screws. There's one here on this side, one on the opposite side over here, and then there are going to be 2 that are underneath here. So we're going to take a look at the ones that are underneath here. So to do that, we're going to get everything out of the way here. And we just have to make sure the shelf is on the middle in whichever side you decide to push in on. And once you get it out, you can also then put it at an angle and pull it out the rest of the way. So now to get this cover off, it's held in by 4 tabs, 2 on each side, as well as a screw in the middle here. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver in order to pry this cover off. And then I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver to get that screw out. And once I've done that, I can push in on the tabs on the side here. And the cover should just pop right out. So as you can see right here, we've got a screw here, and the screw should be there, but it's missing. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw. And if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we're just gonna use our Phillips head screwdriver and screw that screw into place. And once that's tightened down, we can put the cover back into place. So we'll line it up here and pop the bottom into the bottom holes here, and then push those tabs into place as well. And now we'll screw it back in. And we'll put this cover back on here. And now we can put the shelf back into place. So we'll slide that in at an angle and put it in on one side and slide it over so it sits on the other side. And now we can put our ice drawer back in. And you can close your freezer door. And your repair is complete. So what do you call a rogue toaster? The Rebel appliance. And then you can close your freezer door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.